Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Alfonso.IT. This video is the third video about some of the basic C programs, in which I will be showing you by writing some of the basic C programs and as well as explaining them. So in the first two videos I have written something about 10 plus codes, but in this video I will be only writing about 3 to 5 because there are not too much in this category, because after this we will be going to discuss about some of the more functions such as puts function, gets function, and put character or get character, and then there will be more codes about them. So in this video I will be only explaining about size of function and as well as about ASCII programs. So first of all I will do a program that is related to my previous videos, in which we will be just simply finding the discount net amount by reducing the discount percentage from our market price. So first let me write the program, and then I don't think I will have to explain that program, but if there is, then I will explain it. So let me start writing the program.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it.
I don't think there is something that I have to explain about this code, because this code is very similar to our basic codes that we have done in our previous two videos. So let's move on to our next program, and next program is very important program, in which we will be discussing about ASCII codes. So about ASCII codes I have already told you about them in my theoretical videos, and I am going to use ASCII code in this program. In this program we will be converting our uppercase letter into lowercase letter if it is in uppercase, or we will be converting its lowercase letter into uppercase if it is in lowercase. So I will explain that by using two separate programs in this video, but I will tell you the way to make two codes into a single code at the end of this two codes. So first of all let me write the program, and then I will be explaining it. Okay, now I have finished writing the code, and then I will explain the code. So first of all let me compile the code and then run the code, so it will be easier for me to explain you. For next program I will just copy and then only changing some of the things in this code. So first of all you can see that there is a change. So I have written capital A and the answer was small a. So in this code we are not giving anything from user, or the program is not taking value from user. So to make this program take value from user, you just have to add printf, and again you have to add scanf. So that is your work if you want to do. And this is the case for changing uppercase to lowercase. And first of all, let me write again the lowercase to uppercase, and then I'll explain both of them at the same time, so it will be easier for you to understand. And after seeing difference between two programs, then you can easily understand it yourself. And I am using character data types in this code to take input as character form, or to take input in the form of character or text format. So I have just copied the code, and then I will be just changing that plus sign to minus sign and just changing the input, and then you can see what will happen after this code is compiled. After changing sign, the code will be able to convert our lowercase letter into uppercase letter. You can see in the output screen that the lowercase letter that we have given has been converted into uppercase letter. And I will explain about this code now. So first of all, to explain about this code is character data type that we have not used till now, because most of the code that we have made or that we have done till now were on numeric form. So character data type was not important till now, but after today the programs that we will be doing will also use character data types. So in this code I have already tell you that the input is not given by user, it is already input, and you can make it by using printf and scanf, but you have to use %c in the scanf to take input as character form. Now let me explain about the main operation of this program. The main operation of this program is to add 32 or subtract 32 from the ASCII value of our given alphabet. So I have already explained you about the ASCII value. So now to explain about the ASCII value. ASCII value are just a numeric value of anything or any alphabet, the alphabet symbols, numbers, etc. that you have present in the keyboard, and every input that you have given from the keyboard is converted into ASCII value for the computer. And we are doing minus or plus 32 because there is the difference of 32 between uppercase letter and lowercase letter. So while converting the lowercase letter to uppercase letter, we are subtracting 32, and while converting uppercase letter to lowercase letter, we will be adding 32. You can see the chart of ASCII codes in Google, but I am not adding them in this video because I have already explained them in my previous videos. And I have already in the %c. %c works as like the %f and %d, but %c is for the our character data types. And to convert them and to combine these two programs into one program and convert uppercase letter to lowercase letter if it is in uppercase, and convert lowercase letter into uppercase letter if it is in lowercase, we will be using if or while there will be used. So we have not explained about if or while till now, so I am not doing this in this video. And after I will explain about the if or while, then I will just show you this program again. First of all, let me save the program so that I will be able to show you the screenshot at the last time, at the last of the video, and I will write everything that I have told you in the program in comment section, so you will be able to see them after taking the screenshot. So let me fast forward the video while writing the extra information in the code. Okay, now let's move on to our next program, or the explanation about next function, that is of size of function. So first of all, I will write the code, and then I will explain about it like always.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again.
Yeah, you ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving. You can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life, and I won't look back ever again.
No fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the others will fall. Sit up, stand tall, you can get through it all. I need some energy, anxiety's no friend to me. I have a short memory, I don't really remember things. That's how I move on, that's how I stay strong. A new day's on, I'll keep moving right along. And I feel like the pain in the past, it needs to stay in the past. You gotta take off the cast. I wanna feel like I'm a new person. I wanna have clear vision and
Now I have finished writing the code, and then first of all let me compile the code, and then I will run the code, so that you can see that there is the byte used by 1. It means that the id variable is using 1 byte of storage in our RAM or in our memory. Why it is using 1 byte of memory? Because it is a character data type. So actually the how many byte does a value does a variable use doesn't depend on what the value is stored in that variable, but what type of variable is it, or what type of data type is it. You can see that I have changed the value to 10.0, but it will be using only 1 byte till now. So it means that the changed value doesn't matter, but the thing that matter in this code is that size of is a function, so you have to use size of without space. If you use size of with space at the middle, like size then space and off, then the program will not be executed. So after using 10.0 or 10, this variable actually takes only 1 byte. Now that I have shown you the bytes used by character data type, so I will be using now I will be using or changing that character into integer, floating and double, so that you can see that which data type takes how many byte of storage in your memory. So now let's move on to our next program. The next part will be something like that, because we will be only changing its data type. So first of all, let me recorrect the question of this code, and then now let's move on to our next program, in which I will be using integer data type. Now let me change the character into integer. So for changing the character into integer, I don't have to change that much. I am just changing int, or I am just swapping char to int, and then I will execute the program, because I am just changing I am just creating new program, so I will have to recompile this program, so it is taking some of the time. You can see the integer data type is actually using 4 bytes of data in our memory. Now I'll create next program and just copy paste the old program and change it to float. So because we are trying to find the memory used by a float data type in our program, so first of all let me change everything to float, and then first of all if you just change that char to float without making next new program, then you don't have to write a new program name to save that. You can see the float also uses 4 bytes of data type. And if someone asked you about double, because double is a data type that we have not used till now, because double takes more size in our memory, so we have not used double till now. So first of all, to find the bytes used by double data type, I'll just change everything to a double and then run the program. So let me give a name to this program. Now you can see that the bytes used barabar 8. So because double uses the double of float or integer, that is 8. So now let's move on to our screenshot time, and then I'll just show everything that we have done in this video. So please take a screenshot and read yourself, or please use them and try to write them in your own PC, so it will be easier for you to master them, because practice makes man perfect.
Anxiety's no friend of me. I have a short memory. I don't really remember things. That's how I move on. That's how I stay strong. A new day's on. I'll keep moving right along. And I feel like the pain in the past, it needs to stay in the past. You gotta take off the gas. I wanna feel like I'm a new person. I wanna have clear vision and purpose. And I feel like the patient lasts. If you can move on and past the things that make you feel bad, and you can change in your brain, I'm certain. I've done it before, and man, I'm not perfect.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving. You can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life, and I won't look back ever again.
Thank you for watching the video, and in the next video we'll be discussing about some of the more functions, that is get function, puts function. And please watch the videos that are in I button, so that it will be easier for you to understand our more program if you haven't watched them. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel to get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you.